Vitamin D Introduction. Which of the following is a result of vitamin D deficiency? Choose one of the following options. 1. Brittle bones. 2. Weak muscles. 3. Weak nerves. 4. All of the above. Correct. Which of the following groups is at risk of vitamin D deficiency? Choose one of the following options. 1. Obese people. 2. Adults aged 70 and older. 3. People with limited exposure to the sun. 4. All of the above. Correct. Which of the following foods is not a good source of vitamin D? Choose one of the following options. 1. Salmon. 2. Egg yolk. 3. Green bell pepper. 4. Liver. Correct. Green bell pepper is not a good source of vitamin D. In general, as a person grows older, he or she needs more vitamin D. Select true or false. Correct. The body of an older adult, particularly after 71 years of age, becomes less efficient at making vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. In addition, their kidneys become less able to convert vitamin D to its active form. Vitamin D toxicity usually happens when people eat food rich in vitamin D. Select true or false. Correct. It is uncommon to take in enough vitamin D from food or sun exposure to cause vitamin D toxicity. Thank you for using Explain.